After exercise 14a, our next topic is reducing a fraction. Reducing a fraction. So this topic I am explaining directly from exercise. Exercise 14b, question number 1, reduce. So reduce, first question is 8 by 10. So reduction means what? Simply 8 and 10 both are divisible from a single number. As you know, both are divisible by 2. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. Further reduction is not possible. So the 4 by 5 is the final answer. Okay. So this is reducing a fraction. So question number 1, which I have explained to you now. One more question from that fifth one. 105 upon 70. Okay. So 105 last is 5 and 70 last is 0. Both are divisible by 5. So 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Then 5 1 ja 5, 3 remaining. Sorry, 2 remaining. So 5 4 ja 20. So 14 we are having. As you know, 21 and 14 both are divisible by 3. So 3 7 ja 21. Sorry, both are divisible by 7. 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja. Okay, so final answer is 3 by 2. So question number 1 is reducing a fraction to lowest term. Don't solve this question in your copy. It's very easy. Then second topic is what? Comparing fractions. But before that, in exercise 14b, question number 2 is true or false. So first is 2 by 5 equals to 10 by 15. Are they equal? We have to verify. So 2 by 5 को reduce नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि दोनों किसी एक की टेबल में नहीं आता है. But 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 ja 15. So 2 by 5 and 2 by 3. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means false statement. Clear? Then one more question. 35 by 42 equals to 5 by 6. इसको तो reduce नहीं कर सकते but ये हो सकता है. 7 5 ja 7 6 ja. So yes, 5 by 6 equals to 5 by 6. So a true statement. So like this you have to solve question number 2. Okay. Then question number 3 is comparing. Sorry, next topic is comparing fractions. Comparing fractions. So comparing fraction means what? Simply you will have two fractions and you have to verify that which fraction is greater. So that is comparison. Comparison means what? Which is greater or which is smaller. So question number 3 from exercise 14b. 3 by 5 or 2 by 3. 3 by 5 or 2 by 3. Okay. So the easiest method which I am explaining to you now. So as you can see 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. तो ये जो 3 है ना, ये इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो 3 into 3 और तो ये जो 5 है ये इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होगा 2 into 5. सो 3 3 जा 9 और 2 5 जा 10. 9 और 10 में ग्रेटर कौन है? 10. सो 10 इज ग्रेटर देन, दैट मीन्स दिस फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर. सो यू विल राइट 2 by 3 is greater. Okay, so one more question from this greater, question number 3. 5 by 9 और 3 by 4 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 5 into 4 और 3 into 9. 5 4 जा 20 और 9 3 जा 27. So as you know 20 is less than 27. 27 bigger है, means ये fraction bigger होगा. So 3 by 4 is greater. Clear? Then same question number 4. Smaller you have to find. So 3 by 8 or 4 by 5. Same multiplication. 3 into 5 or 4 into 8. 3 5 ja 15 और 4 8 ja 32. So which is smaller here? 15 is smaller and 15 किसको represent करता है? 3 by 8 को. So 3 by 8 is smaller. Okay. So like this question number 4 you have to solve. Question number 3 कॉपी में solve कर लेना. Question number 4 भी solve कर लेना. ठीक है. Then question number 5 descending order. Question number 6 ascending order. Descending means what? Bigger to smaller. Ascending means what? Smaller to bigger. The same questions already you have solved in class 5th. Clear? So one question from question number 6, ascending order I am solving. 5 by 6, 2 by 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, डिसेंडिंग है, बिगर टू स्मॉलर जाना है. 8 by 9, 1 by 3. So first we will find LCM. So in denominator 3, 6, 7, 9. Start from 2. 3, 2, 3 ja 6, 7, 9. Then 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 7, 3 3 ja. Again 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 7, 3 1 ja. Then 7 1 ja, 1 ja, 1 ja, 1 ja. So your LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So 7 3 ja 21. 21 into 3 63. Into 2 126. Okay. So we got LCM 126. How much we got? 126. So LCM is 126. Now first 5 by 6. So 6 में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करे कि 126 आए. Clear? If you are not having idea, so just divide 126 by 6. 6 2 ja 12, cancel. 6 6 1 ja 6. So 21 we have to multiply. So 21 upon 21. So 21 into 5, 105 upon 126. Okay. Then next is 2 by 7. What we will multiply with 7 to get 126? So 18. 18 2 ja 36 and 18 7 ja 126. Then 8 by 9. 9 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेगी 126 आए, तो 126 को डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. 9 1 जा 9 3 4. So 14. What we have to multiply 14. तो ये हो जाएगा 14 upon 14. So 112 upon 126. Then last is 1 by 3. So simply 126 divided by 3. 3 4 ja, then 3 2 ja. 42 we have to multiply. So 42 upon 42. So 42 upon 126. Same you have to solve for question number 5 also. 5 के लिए भी ऐसे ही solve होगा. If ascending order means smaller to bigger, so 36 पहले आएगा, then 42, then 105, then 112. This is your ascending order. अगर descending होगा तो 112 फर्स्ट नंबर पे, फिर ये सेकंड नंबर पे, ये थर्ड नंबर पे और ये फोर्थ नंबर पे. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and 6 you can solve. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 to क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कॉपी में सॉल्व करना है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो है वो कंपैरिजन है, कंपेयर करना है, फिर सिंबल लगाना है. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. I bought 1 dozen bananas and ate 5 of them. 1 dozen equals to how much? 12. And how much he ate? 5. So the remaining bananas equals to what? 12 in 1 dozen, 5 eaten. So 7. So represent the fraction for the banana left. So banana left 7 divided by total banana 12. So answer is 7 by 12. Don't solve this question in copy. Then question number 8. 6 by 11 dash 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 5 by 9. So the same question, 9 into 6 and 5 into 11. So 9 6 is 54, 5 11 is 55. So this 55 is bigger, so just write this side. 5 by 9 is bigger, 6 by 11. So like this you have to solve question number 8. Then question number 9. Question number 9 is what? Out of 50 identical articles, total number of articles 50. 36 are broken articles equals to 36. The first we have to find total number of articles divided by the broken articles. Okay, So the total number of articles is given to you. How much? 50. Okay. Then broken 36. So 250 is 218 is. Answer is 25 by 18. Then the second question is what? Remaining articles. Remaining articles divide by total number of articles. So remaining how we can find? 50 टोटल थे, 36 ब्रेक हो गए, तो 50 में 36 माइनस करो 14, तो 14 आर्टिकल्स रिमेनिंग डिवाइड बाय टोटल 50, 2 7 या 225 या, सो फ्रैक्शन इज 7 by 25. So your exercise 14B is over. Only solve question number 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 9.